Hello, everybody. This is Maurice Kempner. I'm an attorney, real estate broker, business consultant, and coach. Welcome to True Legacy Wealth Media. So, I want to talk a little bit about negotiation. One of the main things to remember in negotiation. And I think whenever you enter into business negotiations, especially, this is something you want to remember because it'll help you figure out what you're going to do more often than not. And what this is that in every type of negotiation, right, there's price and there's terms. Because usually you're talking about how much something costs. And then there's the terms of payment. Like, how are you going to pay this? You're going to pay it over time, you're going to pay it all up at once, those kinds of things. Now, sometimes people, when I talk to them, they'll say, well, I don't understand exactly what you mean, right? So I give them an example and I say, I'll buy your house for any price you name, whatever it is. That's the price. But I get the terms, right? And they'll say, okay, I want $1 billion for my house. And I'll say, okay, I'll pay the price of $1 billion. I'll agree to pay you $1 billion. Here's my terms. $1 billion due in 500 years, no interest. Balloon payment. Just a big balloon payment of $1 billion 500 years from now with no interest, right? Those are terms. So if if you're negotiating with somebody and they want a price, well, you can negotiate on the terms. Well, okay, if I give you this price, then I want these terms. I want to pay part this year, part next year, or I want to pay it over time, or whatever. Because a lot of times people they get fixated on price or terms, one or the other. And the way you can kind of make them feel like they're getting something is you kind of compromise on the other thing. Like, so like if they want certain terms, and you could say, well, if you want these terms, and they won't budge, they could say, well, then I'll do it, but I want this different price, right? You figure out what's going to work for you. So price and terms in every business transaction is a good thing to remember when you break down these negotiations that you're having when it comes to money and stuff like that. Just remember there's two parts, price and term.